Usually when I do that, things break.
Might have to be a bit creative with this one, buddy.
Chuck, what are you doing? You're blocking the camera. Everyone wants to see the bolt. What? Now back away.
That's it. Come on, guys.
Wow, get.
Monster truck.
Ja, jo. Ja, vad är man positiv med det matte? Det har Самое клопы стоишь, блядь! Пожалуйста!
What you were, Paula?
Yeah, well, mate. Okay, how did it go to fuck you, fire? And now I tell you. Okay, fuck. I can brother. Oh, what? Everything in the fire did it. Okay, I did it. And now I tell you. Was it fine? Okay. I know, my little mate. What's the fire? Damn, how are you? Sure, I don't know. It's Dr. Mario. Dr. Hello. Hello, Dr. Hi, Dr. How did you? Dr. Don't fight it at all. It's an actor. Oh, don't fight it. Dr. If I had it's only 5 feet. Just got it.
Tiger shark.
Okay, Dr. No! Jack!
Oh,
Du don't even know that. So I just didn't know what you saw. Oh, mother, the first one. Don't know what I'm telling you. Don't, damn it. So don't you. Get back to the market.
Yes.
Okay, how did it go to fuck you, fire? And now I tell you. Okay, fuck. I take brother.
Fucking Sophie, Nika,
Stop!
that's all.
Everything in the fire did it. No, fire. Come on, no, fire, man. Fuck that fire. I found no fire. It's double. Child. What the fuck did you?
Oh shit! You are not prepared. So we meet again for the last time.
Come on, man! Stop fighting me! Keep my feet. Go, Raya. Fight up! What's a fight? Oh no, I fought. Fight. What?
Surrender, Buzz Lightyear. I have.
You're the ones who've been messing with us this whole time.
Fight. What?
Dear, excuse me? You're one stupid racer. Excuse me? You got one lug nut.
Really?
Bye-bye now. Excuse me?